comparing two variables with this operator which are declared in one line in Python. According to the documentation, the current implementation keeps an array of integer objects for all integers between -5 and 256. When you create an int in that range, you actually just get back a reference to the existing object. So it should be possible to change the value of 1. I suspect the behavior of Python in this case is undefined. Smiley face. So the following behaviors are normal. But when I declare two variables like these, I am getting true. I have checked the identity of the objects referenced by E and F. They are same. My question is, what is happening when we are declaring E and F by separating with semicolons? Why are they referencing to the same object, though the values are out of the range of Python's array of integer objects? It would be better if you please explain it like you are explaining it to a beginner.
This is not an unexpected behavior. According to Python data model, it's an implementation detail. Types affect almost all aspects of object behavior. Even the importance of object identity is affected in some sense. For immutable types, operations that compute new values may actually return a reference to any existing object with the same type and value, while for mutable objects this is not allowed. E.g., after A equals 1, B equals 1, A and B may or may not refer to the same object with the value 1, depending on the implementation, but after C equals, D equals, C and D are guaranteed to refer to two different, unique, newly created empty lists. Note that C equals D equals assigns the same object to both C and D.